someone, this message is for you, especially if you have felt overlooked, dismissed, or quietly counted out. This is for the one who kept standing even when strength felt thin, for the one who kept believing while others reached their conclusions too early. You may have sensed it already, deep within your spirit, a quiet assurance that your story was not finished even when circumstances suggested otherwise. God is not confused about your journey. He has not lost track of your name, your prayers, or the tears you cried when no one else was paying attention. What people labeled as your ending was never an ending in God's sight. It was a season of concealment, preparation, and strengthening that could not be rushed. Many who are watching have lived through moments when support faded, doors closed, and voices grew quiet. Some even felt relief when you stumbled, as if your delay justified their doubt. They assumed your progress had reached its limit. They mistook silence for absence and delay for denial. Yet God often works most deeply when His work is least visible. While others were watching the surface, God was shaping your inner world. While opinions were forming, your faith was being fortified. While assumptions were spreading, endurance was taking root within you. This is why this season feels different. There is a weight to what is coming. Not a heavy weight that presses you down, but a sacred awareness that something is aligning. The pressure you survived did not weaken you, it refined you. The setbacks that tried to strip your confidence actually removed distractions, false dependencies, and misplaced trust. God allowed you to be misunderstood because clarity was forming inside you. He allowed you to be underestimated because strength was being built where pride could not survive. If this message resonates with your spirit, pause for a moment. Let yourself receive it fully. This is a good time to engage, to stay present, and to open your heart. Share this message with someone who may also need reassurance that God is not finished with them. Join this growing community if you feel called to walk this journey together, grounded in faith and purpose. What many fail to understand is that spiritual resistance often increases right before visible change. When progress seems stalled, when answers feel delayed, when effort appears unnoticed, it does not mean God has stepped away. It often means He is preparing a shift that cannot be reversed. Opposition tends to rise when destiny is approaching a turning point. The challenges you faced were not random, and the resistance was not accidental. Your calling carries weight, and anything with weight attracts pressure. There were seasons when your prayers felt unanswered, when waiting tested your patience, and when obedience felt costly. You kept moving forward without applause. You kept choosing integrity without recognition. You kept trusting God without reassurance. That kind of faith does not form overnight. It is built quietly, choice by choice, step by step, through obedience that only heaven records. What others could not see was the authority being formed within you. Some people only believe in potential when it looks impressive on the surface. God believes in purpose even when it is hidden beneath struggle. He allows certain seasons to strip away applause so that dependence rests fully on Him. He allows misunderstanding so that character matures. None of this was wasted. Every season carried instruction, even the ones that felt empty. You may have questioned yourself at times. You may have wondered whether you missed your moment or misunderstood your calling. Those thoughts did not come because you lacked faith. They came because growth often involves wrestling with uncertainty. God does not shame you for those questions. He used them to deepen your trust. He allowed you to search your heart so that when elevation comes, it rests on conviction rather than comparison. What lies ahead will surprise those who assumed your journey was over. Not because you planned it, not because you defended yourself, and not because you proved anyone wrong through force. It will surprise them because God specializes in restoring what seemed beyond repair. He lifts in ways that reveal His hand clearly, leaving no confusion about the source. When He moves, it becomes evident that human opinion never had the final say. This is not about revenge or public validation. This is about redemption, alignment, and fulfillment. God's intention is not to embarrass others, but to reveal His faithfulness through your life. The transformation ahead will speak for itself. It will answer questions without explanation. It will correct assumptions without argument. It will confirm obedience, even when unseen, is never wasted. You were not delayed because you lacked ability. You were preserved because timing matters. Some doors must open only when you are ready to walk through them without losing yourself. Some blessings require maturity to sustain. God guarded you from premature exposure because what is coming demands strength, clarity, and wisdom. The waiting protected you from becoming what you were never called to be. As you listen, reflect on where you have been and how far you have come. Reflect on the strength you did not know you had until life required it. Reflect on the faith that survived disappointment and the hope that remained even when evidence was scarce. These reflections matter. They prepare your heart for what lies ahead. This message marks the beginning of a reminder, not a revelation you have never heard, but a confirmation of what your spirit already sensed. God is not finished. Your story is still unfolding. The chapter others thought was final was only a pause, not a conclusion. What follows will make it clear that God's timing carries purpose and His promises remain active even when they appear delayed. Stay with this message. There is more clarity ahead, more understanding, and more strength waiting to be released. What is coming next will help you see why the process unfolded the way it did and how to prepare your heart for what God is about to reveal. What many people never see is how God trains His chosen vessels in quiet places. Before visible lifting, there is inward alignment. Before recognition, there is refinement. You were not standing still during the waiting seasons. You were being strengthened in ways applause could never accomplish. God was teaching you discernment, sharpening your spiritual awareness, and anchoring your confidence in truth rather than validation. This is why the next phase of your life will feel grounded, not rushed. You were no longer chasing approval. You were walking with clarity. There were relationships that faded, not because you failed, but because they could not journey where you were being led. There were opportunities that dissolved, not because you were unqualified, but because they would have limited your future reach. God removed what felt familiar so that what is necessary could emerge. This kind of separation can feel painful, yet it is deeply intentional. When God prepares to elevate someone, He often simplifies their environment so distractions do not compete with purpose. Spiritual resistance does not appear without reason. When pressure increased, when confusion tried to settle in, and when fatigue whispered that you should stop trying, those moments were not signs of defeat. They were indicators of proximity. The closer you moved toward alignment, the louder resistance became. This is not because you are weak, but because your assignment carries weight. Darkness reacts when light is about to be revealed. What you endured strengthened your ability to stand firm without needing to explain yourself. You learned to remain steady when opinions shifted. You learned to keep your heart guarded without becoming hardened. You learned to listen closely to God's guidance rather than reacting emotionally to every voice. This is maturity. This is preparation. This is the kind of growth that supports long-term impact rather than short-term excitement. There were moments when obedience required silence, moments when defending yourself would have felt justified, yet restraint preserved your peace. God was teaching you that not every battle deserves your energy. Some outcomes are secured through trust rather than reaction. When you chose restraint, you were not losing ground, you were gaining authority. Silence became your strength. Stillness became your strategy. Now the same people who assumed you had reached your limit will struggle to understand the shift. They will see movement where they expected stagnation. They will notice confidence where they once expected hesitation. This change will not be loud, yet it will be undeniable. It will not rely on explanation. It will stand on evidence. God's work does not require promotion when it is rooted in truth. Take a moment to reflect. How has your perspective changed compared to who you were before the struggle? How has your faith deepened? How has your understanding matured? These are not small changes. They are indicators that you are ready for what is next. Growth is not always measured by what you gain, but by what no longer controls you. This is a good point to engage your heart and your voice. What has the waiting season taught you? What strength did you discover that surprised you? Share your reflection, not for attention, but as a testament that perseverance produces clarity. Someone else may need to hear that they are not alone in their process. God's way of restoring often exceeds expectations. He does not merely return what was lost, He brings increase that carries purpose. What is coming will not simply replace what you thought you needed, it will align you with what you were always meant to steward. That alignment is what makes this shift lasting. You are not stepping into something fragile, you are stepping into something established. Your preparation involved learning when to move and when to wait. It involved trusting guidance even when the path ahead felt unclear. It involved letting go of timelines you once held tightly. In doing so, you developed patience that strengthens faith rather than weakening it. Patience is not passive, it is active trust exercised daily. Now, God is repositioning you internally and externally. Your thoughts are aligning with hope again. Your vision feels clearer. Your desire to move with purpose is returning. This is not accidental. It is the natural result of endurance meeting divine timing. What once felt delayed now feels aligned. What once felt heavy now feels purposeful. The elevation ahead will not feel overwhelming because you have been equipped for it. The responsibility will not intimidate you because you have already carried unseen burdens with grace. The opportunities will not distract you because your priorities have been refined. God does not elevate without equipping, and He does not reveal without readiness. As this message continues, remain open. There is still more to uncover about how to walk forward wisely, how to protect what is coming, and how to remain grounded as God's work becomes visible. What lies ahead is not only about restoration, but about sustainability. You are stepping into a season that requires clarity, humility, and continued dependence on God. Stay present, stay receptive. The final part will help anchor this shift and guide your heart into what comes next. What God is releasing next will not require you to convince anyone. It will speak for itself. When divine timing meets preparation, results become undeniable. The same season that once demanded endurance will now release momentum. You will notice doors opening with less strain. Conversations will carry clarity. Decisions will come with peace rather than pressure. This is how alignment feels when God leads the way. The shift will also reveal who is meant to remain connected to you. Some people will celebrate your growth sincerely, while others may grow distant. Let that be. Elevation exposes intentions without confrontation. You do not need to announce boundaries. They will form naturally as your life moves forward with purpose. God protects what He promotes, and He also preserves your heart by filtering access. What makes this season powerful is not visibility, but stability. You are no longer building on desperation or urgency. You are building on wisdom, obedience, and trust. This foundation allows you to carry increase without losing balance. It allows you to receive blessings without fear of losing yourself. You are not returning to who you were before the challenge. You are stepping forward as someone refined. You may notice that your prayers sound different now. They are less frantic and more intentional. You are not asking God to prove Himself. You are partnering with Him in confidence. This maturity is evidence of growth. It shows that faith has moved from survival into stewardship. What you receive next will require care, humility, and continued listening. Do not rush this phase. Momentum does not mean haste. Speed does not replace discernment. Continue to pause, reflect, and seek guidance before major decisions. God's direction keeps progress clean and sustainable. When you move with Him, effort does not feel draining, it feels purposeful. Your testimony will not only silence doubt, it will strengthen others who are still walking through uncertainty. Some will see themselves in your journey and realize that perseverance is worth it. This is why integrity matters now more than ever. How you carry success will speak as loudly as how you endured hardship. Remain grounded. Remain grateful. Remain teachable. Take time to acknowledge how far you have come. Gratitude sharpens awareness and keeps pride from taking root. When you remember where you started, you honor the process that shaped you. Gratitude also keeps your spirit open to continued growth. What God has begun is not ending here, it is expanding. If this message resonates with you, take a moment to engage. Reflect on what part of your journey required the most faith. What lesson strengthened you the most? Sharing your insight may encourage someone who feels unseen in their own process. This community grows through shared truth and collective hope. As you move forward, continue nurturing your connection with God. Make space for quiet reflection. Protect your peace. Choose obedience even when it requires patience. What you are stepping into is not temporary, it is designed to last. Consistency will preserve what excitement cannot. You were never finished. You were never forgotten. You were never behind. You were being prepared in ways that would one day make sense. The shock will not come from noise, but from transformation. People will notice the strength in your presence, the clarity in your words, and the confidence in your decisions. This is the fruit of endurance meeting divine favor. Before we close, let this be a reminder. Your journey is still unfolding. Stay connected. Stay encouraged. If this message has strengthened your faith, support its reach by sharing it with someone who needs hope. Join this growing community by subscribing and remain part of a space where purpose, faith, and perseverance are nurtured. You are stepping forward with wisdom, not fear, with confidence, not comparison, with faith, not doubt. What God is revealing through your life will speak louder than assumptions ever could. Walk forward steadily. Your story is still unfolding, and what comes next will reflect the faith that carried you here.